Good day. Welcome to new video from BR Detectors Dubai. This time we have one of the greatest and the most effective long-range locator that called Alpha from AJAX. With two powerful long-range systems, Alpha ranked as one of the most effective detectors that all miners and people worked in detection prefer. Alpha comes with the manual and the automatic long-range systems that can detect up to 50 meters under the ground, and for the maximum distance, which is the 2,850 meters for the automatic one and 2,250 for the manual one. We are going to explore the device, the parts, features, and how to assemble the device and how to operate it. So let's start. First of all, let's explore together what we have inside the bag or the full package of Alpha. We have here the high gain antenna, the main unit of Alpha, the user manual and the warranty 2 years, headphones, charger, car charger, and we have two antennas. Now we will assemble the device together to be ready to use it. So we have two antennas here, as you can see. We will put the antennas here and twist them securely. And now we will put the high gain antenna here, like this. Now the device is ready to use. To switch on the device, actually, we have to press for 2 seconds on this button. And after that, we will see the AJAX logo, then Alpha logo, and then we will see the systems that the device contains. As you can see here, we have the manual search and the automatic search, and we have the settings here. Let's start with the settings first. We have 8 different languages in the device that we can choose from. Then we have the time and the date. It's important to set actually the time and the date for the saved search. The display, we have actually here the brightness and sleep mode. For the sound, we have different levels for the sound: general volume, K-tunes, search volume. Here in the power mode, we have, as you can see, how much we have in the battery, and we have two options, which is the power saving and the optimum. Here we will see all the saved scans and search here in the storage. We have manual search and the automatic search. In the information, we will see a general information about the device, device version, software version, and the model and the time that the device works. For the security, actually, we can set a PIN for the device, so you can guarantee that no one will use your device. Reset, here we have clear memory, reset settings, and factory reset, which will clear everything, all the settings in your device and all your saved scans. Now I will show you actually how to hold the device properly. So as you can see here, the device and the antennas should be parallel to the ground, and the antennas should be straight. So this is the right way to hold the device. And if you don't hold it in the right way, actually in device there is a hand smart balance that will show you that you are not holding the device in the right way. Because if you are not holding the device in the right way, maybe you will not get an accurate result. So if we want accurate result and error-free, we have to hold it in the right way. So now we choose after pressing the OK start search. As you can see here, the hand smart balance will show you that you have to hold the device in parallel to the ground and the antenna should be straight. After that, we are going to press OK. As you can see here, this indicator here will show you that you are holding the device properly. If you are in the green area here, that means that you are holding it properly. We have the compass here, and we have the settings of the search, and we have here actually the indicator that it's connected to the antennas. So if the antennas will go to the left, this indicator will go to the left. If the antennas will go to the right, this indicator will go to the right. This indicator and the antennas will let us know where is the target exactly. So now we will talk about the manual and the automatic search. Let's start with the manual one. In the manual system, actually, we have to set the search parameters before starting the search. So the device will ask us actually what targets that we are looking for. We have multiple choices here, as you can see. We have the gold nuggets, silver, copper, bronze, iron, and tin, lead, aluminium, meteorite, diamond, emerald, cavity, and again we are here back to the gold. So you will choose actually one of these targets. I will choose the gold now, okay, and after that you will choose the maximum distance that you want to search in. So as we have here, the minimum one is the 100 meter, as you can see, and we can increase it to 150 up to, as you can see, 2250 for the manual one. For actually the automatic one, the maximum distance is 2850. For the manual, 2250. So let's start with 300 meters. And again we have the depth here, so you can choose starting from 1 meter up to 50 meters, which is the maximum depth of the device. So let's choose, for example, 10 meters. After that, the device will show you all the settings that you chose before, and after that now you can press OK to start the search. I'm gonna now explain how to work with the manual long-range locator. After holding the device in proper way, we have to walk. And whenever the device will find any target in the area, the antennas will rotate. If the antennas will rotate to the right, that means that the target is on the right. So we have to rotate with the antennas, okay? And walk again. If the antennas will rotate, for example, to the left, we have to rotate with the antennas to the left, okay? And now, if we are walking and the antennas will not rotating, not to the left, not to the right, that means that we are walking in the right direction. So we have to save this direction now. To save this direction, we have to press once here. Okay, so after pressing once here, we will see in the screen a small green indicator. Okay, means that we are walking in the right way. We will walk with the device, okay, and keep the indicator straight. Okay, there is actually interactive sounds, as you can see. Okay, this sound means that we are walking. You see, this sound means that we are walking in the right way. This sound means that we are not walking in the right way. Okay, so we will keep walking, and whenever the antennas will turn all the way to the left or to the right, okay, and after that, what we have to do, we have to go to the opposite side. Okay, so now we will go to the opposite side, okay, and walk again. Okay, so we will walk, and whenever the antennas will turn all the way to the left or to the right, so we have to put another line. Okay, and the target will be between these two lines in the middle. Let's move now to the second system, which is the automatic search system, as you can see here. The device actually comes with the hand smart balance that shows you the right level and the way to hold the device while searching. The device actually should be parallel to the ground, and the antenna should be in the center. So after holding the device properly, we will actually press OK. After pressing OK, we can see that we have a progress bar here. Now the device is searching with the maximum depth, which is the 50 meters, and the maximum distance, which is 2,850 meters. After completing this progress bar, the device actually will show you the targets that the device found in the area. And after that, you can choose one of the targets to know what is the distance between you and this target, and you can track this target. And after that, the device will show you the depth of this target under the ground, and will show you a complete report about your search. As you can see here, we have indicator that shows you that you are holding the device in proper way or not. If you are in the green area, so you are holding it properly. And also we have the compass here, as you can see. Just note please that the best way to start the search is from the north to the south. It is the best actually way to get accurate results, the most accurate results, and the error-free. Speaking about the automatic long-range locator system, we have a difference here between the automatic one and the manual one, which is, in the automatic one, we don't have to choose a specific target, okay? And we don't have to choose a specific distance and specific depth. So the device will use the maximum distance and the maximum depth, okay? And will search for all kind of targets that the device can search for. And whenever the device found any target in the area, will show us, okay, this targets, a list of targets. For example, the device found maybe a gold and bronze, and we are interested only in gold, so we will choose only the gold, okay? We will ignore the bronze, for example. Okay, so after choosing the gold, the device will show us the distance between us and this target, okay, and will lead us using the tracking step to the target exactly. After reaching and finding the target, we have the next step, which is the depth. The device will show us, okay, how much the deep of the target under the ground. Okay, after completing everything, we have the report. We will see all the information about this search process. I tried in this video to cover all the details about Alpha from AJAX, features, parts, how to assemble, and how the device works. And I hope you found all the answers that you are looking for. In case you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or drop us an email. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.